Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with our new topic, finding the value of an expression. Okay, you can take page number 240 in your NCERT textbook. So, in the expression, there will be many unknowns. Yes, where X, Y, Z, like that, many unknowns will be there. If you give the values of this X, Y, Z, we will get the value of that particular expression. That we are going to find from this class. Okay, so you can take page number 240 in your NCERT textbook. I hope you all have taken page number 240. I'm going to explain you this concept by using the example problems directly. Okay, example number 7. Find the value of the following expression for x is equal to 2. Okay, we are just going to find the value of the following expression. So, what is your expression? X plus 4. We are going to find the value of this expression. So, we are going to find the value of this x plus 4. So, how you will find the value of this x plus 4? This 4 is a constant, so you can take it directly. X is a variable. Okay, it don't have any constant value. So, if we give the value for this x, you can easily find the value of the expression. Okay, so they have given the x value as 2. Yes, so we are supposed to substitute instead of x as 2. So, what is the value of x? 2. Then plus, then 4. 2 plus 4, 6. So, 6 is the value of the expression when x is equal to 2. When the x value is 2, the value of the expression x plus 4 is 6. Okay, but when you substitute this 2 in this expression, you will get the value of the expression. Okay, second problem, 4x minus 3. So, now we are going to find the value of the expression 4x minus 3. So, here x is the only thing which is variable, right? So, what you will do? 4x is nothing but 4 into x, correct? Or you can write 4 into x. Yes, like this you can write, or like this, anything you can write. Appo x value is what? 2. So, I am putting it in bracket minus 3. So, 4, x value is 2. So, I am putting it in bracket minus 3. So, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So, the value of the expression 4x minus 3 when x is equal to 2 is 5. Yes. Next, what is your third problem? 19 minus 5x square. 19 minus 5x square. So, now what is the value of the x, children? 2, right? So, 19 minus 5 into x square. X square means 2 square, correct? Because 5x square is nothing but 5 into x square, correct? Appo 5 into 2 the whole square. Yes. Now 19 minus 5 into 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2. Yes, 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Appo 2 square value is 4. So, you are putting it in bracket. Understood? 2 square value is 4. So, again I am putting it in bracket. 19 minus 5 4s are 20. Upper 19 minus 20 is minus 1. So, what is the value of the expression? Minus 1. Next, what is the next problem? Fourth, 100 minus 10x cube. 100 minus 10x cube. So, what is the value of x now? 2. Upper 100 minus 10 into x cube is 2 cube. Because here x is nothing but 2, upper 2 cube. 2 cube value is what, children? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Upper 2 cube value is nothing but 8. Upper 10 minus 10, 100 minus 10 into 8. Upper 100 minus 10 8s are 80. Upper 100 minus 80 is 20. 20 is your final answer. Understood? When the value of x is given, we are substituting in the certain expressions and finding the value of those expression. Understood? This is your example number 8. Okay. Find the value of the following expression when n is equal to minus 2. So last problem, they gave you the x value as different. So we are supposed to find the value of that particular expression. Here the expression is 5n minus 2. We should find the value of this expression where n is equal to minus 2. Be careful, it is minus 2. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to substitute the value of this n in this expression and we should find the value of this expression, right? 5. What is the n value, children? Minus 2. Above 5 into minus 2. Then this is 1 minus 2. Okay, this is n value. This bracket minus 2 is n value. This minus 2 is this one. Okay, so 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 5 2s are 10, plus into minus, minus 10. Then minus 2, because it is bracket, children. So 5 2s are 10, plus into minus, minus. Then minus 2. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. Because same sign, so you will add it and you will put the same sign. So minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. Okay, what is your second problem? 5n square plus 5n minus 2. 5n square plus 5n minus 2. Okay, so now 5n square. Appa, what is the n value now? Minus 2 the whole square. 5 n value is what? Minus 2 square. N square it is there, so minus 2 square. Plus 5 into minus 2. Plus 5 into minus 2. Then that minus 2. This minus 2 is given. Listen. This is n square upper minus 2 square. N number into minus 2. Then this minus 2 is given here. Now what you will do? Minus 2 the whole square. What is the answer? See, listen. You have already know it. Okay, minus 2 the whole square nothing but minus 2 into minus 2. Correct? 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. Upper 5 into plus 4. Correct? Minus 2 the whole square is what, children? Plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then minus into minus plus. Upper minus 2 the whole square is nothing but plus 4. Then plus into minus minus. 5 2s are 10. Plus into minus minus. 5 2s are 10. Then minus 2. Then 5 4s are 20. Plus into plus plus 20. Plus into plus plus 20. 5 4s are 20. Minus 10 minus 2. So now plus 20 minus 10 is what? Plus 20 minus 10 is plus 10. Plus 10 minus 2. Plus 10 minus 2 is plus 8. So answer is plus 8. So value of this expression is what? Plus 8. Listen, be careful, children. Plus 5 into plus 4 is plus 20. Plus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Okay, this is multiplication. While you're doing that, you should be concentrated. Only then you won't make mistakes. Okay, because everything it is an integer operation. N cube plus 5n square plus 5n minus 2. N cube plus 5n square plus 5n minus 2. So what is your n value here? Minus 2. Correct? Appo minus 2 the whole cube. Minus 2 the whole cube, because here n cube up minus 2 the whole cube, plus 5 into minus 2 the whole square, plus 5 into minus 2 the whole square, plus 5 into minus 2, plus 5 into minus 2, then at last minus 2 it is there. Just now I have substituted all the values of n. Now we should proceed it. So now minus 2 the whole cube, how you will write, children? Minus 2 the whole cube is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Correct? 3 times you will multiply by minus 2. So here what you will do? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Correct? First you should multiply the numbers. In integer operation what you will do? You should multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So minus 2 the whole cube answer is what? Minus 8. Okay? So now I got the answer of minus 2 the whole cube as minus 8. Then plus this plus symbol 5 into minus 2 the whole square. What answer? What is the answer? Minus 2 the whole square. What is the answer? Plus 4. Yes. Minus 2 the whole square answer is plus 4. Now plus into minus, minus. 5 2s are 10. Then this minus 2. Okay. Now minus 8 plus into plus, plus 5 4s are 20. Then minus 10, minus 2. Now as usual, addition or subtraction or something which is comfortable, you will do it. Minus 8 plus 20 is plus 12. Plus 12, see, if I do this first, minus 8 plus 20 is plus 12. Then plus 12 minus 10 is plus 2. Okay, when I do this 2. Plus 12 minus 10 is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 is, what is the answer? 0. So what is the value of this expression, children? 0. So you can do as usual what you will be doing. Okay. Next is your example number 9. Okay. Find the value of the following expressions for A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. In previous problem all, we have only one variable like n, x, like that. Only one variable it is there. But here we have two different variables, A and B. So we have to substitute the value for A as well as B. Both you should substitute it. So both the values are given in the question. So just we are directly substituting for A and B. But A value should be substituted for A and B value should be substituted for B. That should be correct. Okay. What is A value here? 3. Plus what is B value? 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 is the value of the given expression. Second problem, 7A minus 4B. 7A minus 4B. Okay, now 7 into A. A value is what, children? What is the A value? 3, right? Minus 4 into what is the B value? 2, correct? 7, A value is 3, minus 4 into B value is 2. 7 3s are 21. Minus 4 2s are 8. 7 3s are 21 minus 4 2s are 8. 21 minus 8, what is the answer? 13. Yes, plus 13. Plus 21 minus 8. That is the meaning, right? Our plus 21 minus 8 is plus 13 is your answer. Next. What is the next problem? A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what is your A value, children? 3. Upper 3 square. Plus 2 into A value is 3. B value is 2. A square is 3 square. Plus 2 into A value is 3. B value is 2. Plus B square 2 square. B square is 2 square. Correct? 3 square means what? 3 into 3, 9. 3 3s are 9. Upper 3 square is nothing but 9. Plus 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Plus 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Plus 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. 2 2s are 4. Now just adding. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So what is the value of the expression? 25. Next, fourth problem, A cube minus B cube. Answer is what? A cube minus B cube. What is your A value, children? 3 cube. Correct? A value is 3. 3 cube. Minus B value is 2 cube. Okay, va? Now, 3 cube is what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Our 3 cube value is nothing but 27. Next, 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Our 2 cube value is 8. Now just substituting. 3 cube answer is 27. Minus 2 cube answer is 8. So 27 minus 8 is what? 19. Okay. 27 minus 8 is nothing but 19. Understood? So here we have both the variables A and B. So value for that variable is given in the question. Just substituting that variable in the expression and finding the value of the given expression. Okay. Next we came to the exercise 12.3 which is in page number 242. Okay. First problem. If m is equal to 2, find the value of m minus 2. Actually, m minus 2 is nothing but the expression, right? We are supposed to find the value of this expression m minus 2 when m is equal to 2. So, what we should do? We should substitute the value of m to this and you should find the value of this expression. So what is m minus 2 will become? M value is nothing but 2, correct? Upper 2 minus 2. M value is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. Yes, so m minus 2 value is nothing but 0. Next, second problem, 3m minus 5. Second problem is nothing but 3m minus 5. So what is the m value here? 3 into m value is 2 minus 5. Yes, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Yes. Next, third problem. 9 minus 5m. Third problem is nothing but 9 minus 5m. Just substituting here, 9 minus 5 into 2. M value is 2, right? So 9 minus 5 2s are 10. 9 minus 10 is nothing but minus 1. 9 minus 10 is nothing but minus 1. Okay? Because greater number is 10. What is the sign of greater number? Minus upper minus 1. Next, fourth problem. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So now 3 into what is m square? 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 7. You know how to substitute, right? Because we have discussed in our example problems. Just directly substituting, that's all. 3 into 2. 2 square is nothing but 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4, because minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4, then minus 7. 4 3s are 12, minus 4 minus 7. 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So 1 is your answer. Next, fifth problem. 5m by 2 into 4 or minus 4. 5m minus 2 minus 4. Okay, 5m minus 2 minus 4. So now it is in the numerator, correct? Appa 5 into 2 divided by 2 minus 4. Yes, 5 into 2 because it is numerator. So specifically you should write it in your numerator. Divide by 2 minus 4. Okay, now 5 2s are 10 divided by 2 minus 4. Yes. 5 2s are 10 divided by 2 minus 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. You can cancel like that, right? Appa what is the answer? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. You can do like this also. Listen, I will teach you in one more method. 5 into 2 divided by 2 minus 4, correct? This is also multiplication. This 2 are division, right? So this 2 cancel. Appa 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. Like that also you can write it. I have written like this. This way also you can write it. Okay. Next is your second problem. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of, okay. If p is equal to minus 2, p value is nothing but minus 2. We should find the value of 4p plus 7. 4p plus 7 but minus 2. Okay, va? So 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So then 4 2s are 8 plus into minus plus 7. 4 2s are 8 plus into minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. Minus 8 plus 7 is nothing but minus 1. Next is your second problem. Yes. Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So now minus 3 into p square value. What is the p value? Minus 2 the whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now minus 3. What is minus 2 the whole square, children? Minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. Plus 4 is the answer. Upper minus 2 the whole square is nothing but plus 4. Now plus into minus. Minus 4 2s are 8 plus 7. Plus into minus. Minus 4 2s are 8 plus 7. Minus into plus. Minus 4 3s are 12. Minus 8 plus 7. minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 7 is minus 13. Minus 20 plus 7 is minus 13. Next, what is your third problem? What is the third subdivision? Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. See, while you are doing this problem, the symbols are very much important. If you did some small mistakes, then it is entirely wrong. Okay. Minus 2, p value is minus 2 the whole cube, minus 3 into minus 2 the whole square, plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay, minus 2. What is minus 2 the whole cube? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Our minus 8 is the minus 2 the whole cube answer. Minus 8, minus 3 into plus 4, because we already found that, plus 4, plus into minus minus, 4 2s are 8 plus 7. 4 2s are 8 plus into minus minus plus 7. Now 8 2s are 16, minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus, 4 3s are 12. Minus 8 plus 7. Now plus 16 minus 12 is nothing but plus 16 minus minus 12 is plus 4. Plus 4 minus 8 is, plus 4 minus 8 is what answer? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7 is, minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Plus 3 is your answer. Okay, just do it step by step. Okay, this is very much important. Minus into minus plus, 8 2s are 16. Minus into plus minus, 4 3s are 12, minus 8 plus 7. Now minus 16 plus 16 minus 12 is plus 4. Plus 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. So plus 3 is your final answer. Understood? Today's class we have discussed how to find the value of the expression when the value of the variables are given. Yes, and we have discussed exercise 12.3 few problems. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.